Alrighty guys, so I'm gonna go in with my purple, and then I'm also going to go in with my blue right here. And as you can see is I'm getting it a little bit closer to where I'm gonna do my cut crease line. And I'm just gonna keep on patting it down gently just so I can make sure it smoothens out everywhere and it looks even. So now I am gonna go in with my light green, which I'm gonna put that at the very top, as you guys can tell. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend that all in just so it can look like a little ocean type look. Alrighty, so I'm gonna go right back in with all of the colors that I've used prior before, just so we can make sure we have enough coating for everything. So now that I'm finished with that and blending everything out, I'm going to go in with my new B.E.A.U.T.Y eyeshadow base, which is absolutely one of my favorite bases that I've used this far, hands down. Alrighty guys, so as you can see, I am definitely being very patient and just gently patting everything down for my cut crease because I'm a perfectionist and I just like to make sure that my cut crease comes together. So after that, I'm gonna go back in with my purple and then also black in with my blue that I've used prior before, and you guys will see me at the very end. At the beginning of my cut crease, I'm just gonna go back in with like a beige color just so I can smooth everything out and make it look just like an ocean look. Now I'm just going to go back in with everything that I've used and just start to blend everything out just so it can come together. So guys, as you can see, I'm about to go in with my Juvia's eyeliner, which as you guys can see at the beginning, I sprayed my little brush here just to get a nice, perfect black lining. Now all you guys need to do is take your time. This is actually one of the difficult things that I actually had to learn, but as long as you take your time and go right in and just shoot for it, I promise you'll be safe doing that eyeliner like a beast. So now I'm gonna go right back in with my black eyeliner, and I'm also going to put green under my eyelids, and I'm also going to do the same thing to the other side. Alrighty guys, so now I'm gonna go in with my favorite foundation, which is my Juvia's foundation. If you don't know, now you know already. This is my absolute favorite foundation that I've had this far because it matches with my skin perfectly, as you guys can see. I also have some of her eyeshadow palettes, which if you guys go ahead and check out my other videos, you'll absolutely see all the products that I've used as well with her eyeshadow. And now you guys can see that I'm about to go in with Juvia's concealer, and I'm just gonna go ahead and lightly smooth everything out. And excuse me for my faces, I make a lot of faces when I do my makeup, do not mind that. So after 5 minutes of smoothing everything out, I'm gonna go right in with my eyebrow pencil and fix my eyebrows because I actually got some on top of them. And now I'm going to go in with my contour, which I actually picked this up from a drugstore. Unfortunately, I ran out of my Fenty and also my Juvia's contour. But I totally forgot to go in with my Juvia's setting powder. I don't know why, but it's been a long day. But now you guys will see me go in with my setting powder just so I can bake my face, girl. Now after baking my face, you guys will see me go in with my contour so I can go ahead and blend everything out together because right now your girl looks like The Walking Dead. And I'm just gonna go ahead and blend. Now don't even ask me why, but your girl like to multitask. I know I look so crazy, but it is so funny how I can just easily pick up a brush and just go. But anyway. Now I'm gonna go back in with my brush that I use my setting powder on, and I'm just gonna go ahead and start blending everything together just so it can make some magic here. So now that I'm done, I'm gonna go right back in with my black eyeliner, and like I told you guys earlier, I'm gonna go right back in with my green eyeshadow from my Crayon palette. And for some odd reason, don't look at me weird, but of course when you're putting on the blush, you gotta smile a little bit, girl. And it's gonna come from my Juvia's palette that I use the most, which I'll have everything down in the description box below. But I'm also gonna go right back in with my highlight, which I'm also using the same palette as well for that. Alrighty guys, so now that I'm wrapping up here with my highlight, you'll see me go in with my e.l.f. finishing spray, which we're just gonna go ahead and yes, fan it out, child. Yes, fan it out. So, you guys, if you don't know already, I'm really goofy, but it's okay. But now you guys are gonna see me go in with my lip pencil, which is a dark pencil. And unfortunately, I do not know where I just got my lip gloss from. I just picked it up at a drugstore, so please do not ask me on it because unfortunately I have no clue. But I appreciate all of you guys with your love and support. I cannot wait to see you guys next time, and please like, comment, and subscribe to my channel. But I will definitely see you guys next time, and JC is out.